What's up, everyone? Today I thought like how I started to become a web developer and how I started my journey. And from the basics, it's just like mostly HTML was the one of the main language and the CSS. So this is like the backbone. So I thought like how I learned it, and I didn't find anything useful on the internet. How it's easy for anyone to understand how they can also start their journey to build websites and softwares. As my name is Sam, and I've been building website from last 3 years. So I do different projects. So I thought now to start this YouTube thing and make my videos and make people also know how to build websites and all that stuff. So before saying anything further, let's get started. So first thing, what's HTML? So HTML is basically a language or the code we use to write the websites on internet. So everything you can see on Google, Yahoo, anything or any website, they're all made from HTML. So in simple words, they call it hypertext markup language, which is a format to write the website, which is like the basic building block. As again, it just shows you how to write it. So from this tutorial, I'm gonna make few of my tutorials this series to show you how you can also build different websites and how you can use HTML. Without a further ado, let's get started. So open your favorite browser, which is pretty much Google Chrome in my opinion, and on Google Chrome download a text editor. So what's a text editor? So text editor is just like whenever you need to write website and software, you need an editor for text, which you can use as a middle person to write those code in easy way so you can put it on website. So in my opinion, the best one I feel is Sublime. There are different Visual Code and other studios, but I believe Sublime is useful for starting. So just write Sublime here. Sorry, Sublime, my bad. After that, you just click on Sublime text, and then yeah, just click on Windows. If it's a Mac, just click here on the Mac. Linux, same as that. And yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. Just click download for Windows, and after that, it's been downloaded. Mine is already downloaded, so I'm just gonna post it. I just deleted it. So yep, so let's get started. So on this one, I'm gonna show you how to create a first thing and write something on web page. So let's start it. So after you download Sublime text, it's gonna look like this. So you just have to press Control and N. It's gonna make a new window here, which is here. Then you press and you just go here and go here and press save, which is Control S in short forms. So I'm gonna put this all in my HTML CSS folder. So I'm gonna call it home.html. So whenever you make an HTML file, you just have to put HTML at the end. So it just recognizes an HTML file. I seal it here. So now I will press HTML. Alrighty. So that's pretty much simple here, so you don't have to do anything, but I make it easy for you to understand. So let's get started from the start. So that's easy way. So you press HTML and then you press that and HTML. Yep. So how HTML work, all the codes come in here. So there are a few different sections. We call it head. Head is like the starting part. Then it's body. Ready. That's pretty much it, I would say. But yeah, you can even put your links and width. But again, it's pretty much these are the basic building blocks you need to build something. And yep, if you want to write something, we do have different formats. So for title or anything, we can use header to write in our page. So let me show you how it's gonna look like. You just press H1 and say hello world and then save it, and which is hello. And yep, after that you're done. You just go back to your folder. So yep, it's going to be white. Yep. After you're done, you just go to your home page and click on right click, and then you open it with your favorite browser, which is Google Chrome for me. Here you go. Now you can see it's printing hello world. That's pretty much it. And yeah, that's for the first video, and I will see you in the next one.